Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to share with you this style. I've actually shared with you this style before, but it was in this color, black and 27, and most of you wanted to see the color in black as well. So this is how it looks in black, guys. Just comment down below if you love it in this plain black or black with highlights, and then also if you want this style in any other color, please let me know and I'll make it to your preference. So this is how it looks, black and some 27 highlights, and this is the plain black one. And then also realize most of you love this wig with baby hair. So also if you want it without baby hair, always just leave me a note on my website, or when you order on WhatsApp, just tell me you don't want it with to have baby hair. And this is how it looks with baby hair. I shared a tutorial with you on how to add the baby hair on these no frontal braided wigs. You can watch my previous video, a full tutorial on how to add the baby hair. This is how it looks with the baby hair. If you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love this style as well. So just comment down below if you love this wig with the baby hair, if you love it in this color black or with black or black with highlights. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.